How to change keyboard language on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard language on Android phone. First then open your keyboard, and now just click these 3 points here and then click settings, and now just you need to find this one, languages. And as you see here, you can manage your keyboard languages, and if you want to change it, just select any language here like this one, enable it, and you can disable any language you want, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.